Hi guys, today we're going to be having a go at drawing some ancient Egyptian symbols. You'll need to keep this piece for next week because we're going to be adding something else on top. So you're going to need a piece of paper, a ruler, a pencil and a pen, as well as something to colour in with. So the first thing we're going to do is divide our piece of paper into 4. So I'm just going to use my ruler to draw a line down the middle, and then I'm going to go across the middle again. If you want to, you can fold it, that is fine. So once you've done that, you're ready to start drawing your ancient symbols. So I've picked 4 that I wanted to draw. You have a look at these on screen now and choose which ones you might like to have a go at drawing. So once you've chosen, you're going to draw each one in the boxes nice and big. So I'm just going to have a go at drawing the reed for now. I'm going to do my straight line down. Curve that round at the end and then follow that line down. So once you've drawn all 4 symbols in the boxes, we're going to add a pattern behind them. So as you notice on mine, I've added some zigzags or stripes or wavy lines. Up to you what you would like to add. Make it nice and funky. I'm going to mix it up a bit. Then I might add a straight line. And another straight line. And in the middle I could add some circles or squares. And I'm going to go with zigzag again. Straight line. Another one, and then I might add some circles. Okay, so you're just going to be adding your sacred symbol in each box and then adding some pattern behind them. When you've done that, you're going to go over in black pen and then you're going to colour in. So you could use pencil crayon, felt tip pens, watercolours, up to you. Enjoy guys!